What's that, the first bass of the day? Yeah, that's a nice one.
Man, I wish I had some of the fucking cooking.
That's a nice little bass right there, boy. Nice. Chunky monkey. Oh, bitch, you know they're in there. What's that old minnow action?
First one of the season.
Yeah, that's a nice little bass.
That's a keeper too, man. You keeping the fish, Brian?
What's that, another one? Another bass?
This nigga Brian caught the smallest fucking smallmouth
Another
bass.
bass, see if we can get some more. That's my pops right there.
Baby right there, you know.
That's a fucking, that's a sandwich right there.
Something did it. His bass all fucked up.
It is, if it wasn't, it is now. Big one?
Nah, he's not that big.
The minnows ain't no joke though, son. Them shits catch fish all day.
Yo, next time we go to fucking Winding, yo, we're gonna take minnows.
Yeah, go out there with a dozen or two.
Yeah. 3, man.
Just a half.
Yeah.
Just put them shits in separate buckets, though. Like Brian.
Yeah.
Like Brian
Like
today,
that big bucket?
Yeah, they went and put minnows in there. Brian had 12.5 in the fridge.
Yeah.
Buy a Bubba's Bizzle like $10.
But fucking,
Nice little bass. See if we can get some more. My pops right there. Tell me everything I know.
Small,
Yeah, the crabby.
but out there.
Catching everything. See we get some more fish. Let's go. What's that, crabby? This gonna be my dad's video. Ain't nobody else catch no.
Probably some bigger ones than that.
In this video. Caught that on that crankbait. It's a little puppet. Nice, man.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Fat baby.
Yeah, that's a nice
Little
sandwich.
puppet. See if we can get some more. Catch these two.
Good.
Nice.
Here, man.
What's up?